So our next topic is azeotrophs. So I will tell you about the azeotrophs. And azeotrophs, the word azeotroph is written as this. Spelling of azeotroph is this. And the definition of azeotrophs are the liquid mixture. The azeotrophs may be defined as the liquid mixture. This means liquid mixture which boils at constant temperature, like a pure liquid, and possesses the same composition in the liquid phase as well as in vapor phase. So I had written the definition of azeotrophs here. There is a slide, it is outside the view of camera, so let me repeat it again. The azeotrophs are the liquid mixtures which boil at constant temperature like a pure liquid and possesses the same composition in liquid as well as in vapor phase. So what are azeotrophs? So azeotrophs, first of all, azeotrophs are mixture. These are liquid mixture. So their physical state is they are in liquid state, and further they are mixture, and further they boil at constant temperature. So when we have a liquid mixture and we boil it at it starts boiling at a particular temperature or constant temperature like a pure liquid. I had told you earlier that pure liquid means that we have two liquids, A and B. If A liquid has particular boiling point, say A is water, and boiling point of water, you know well that it's 100 degrees centigrade, and B is some other liquid having boiling point, let us say 90 degree, 99 degree, or 150 degree. So when we will mix them in a particular ratio, they will make a liquid mixture or solution. One is solute, other is solvent. And in case of azeotrophs, when we will boil this mixture, it will start boiling at a particular temperature. Neither it will boil at 100 degree, nor it will boil at the boiling point of other liquid. It will boil at different temperature like a pure liquid. As the pure liquid has a particular fixed boiling point. Suppose that we have water. If we will boil water, it will start vaporizing at 100 degrees centigrade, and if we will keep the temperature of the system fixed at 100 degrees centigrade, the water will keep boiling at 100 degrees centigrade, and it will start going to vapor phase. So in case of azeotrophs, when we mix two liquids, they boil at constant temperature like a pure liquid and possesses the same composition in liquid as well as vapor phase. It means if we have taken the ratio of 3:1, suppose if we have taken the ratio of 3:1 in liquid phase to make their solution, they will start vaporizing off at a particular first of all they will start boiling at constant temperature, and their composition will be same in liquid as well as in vapor phase. So in vapor phase they will again have a same composition, that is 3:1. So there are two kinds of azeotrophs. First of all, minimum boiling point azeotrophs, and other are the maximum boiling azeotrophs. So what are the minimum boiling azeotrophs? These azeotrophs are formed by the binary solution which shows large positive deviation from the Raoult's law. Obviously, when you will have some liquid, like you will have suppose you have ether or acetone and you have water, you know very well that ether starts vaporizing off at the room temperature, whereas water has a boiling point of 100 degree. So water will temperature, we have to maintain the temperature of 100 degree centigrade to boil water and vaporize it off, whereas in case of ether, it's room temperature which is necessary or which is enough for the its vaporizing off. So thus out of these two, ether will vapor off immediately if we will take this ether and water in a beaker. Ether will vapor off easily, whereas water will take a time, or we have to heat the beaker up to 100 degree centigrade so as to boil off the water. So ether will start vaporizing earlier, so the vapor phase will be of in this container, vapor phase will be rich in the ether, whereas the water will remain in the liquid state until the temperature is reached 100 degree centigrade. So first of all, I was telling you about the minimum boiling azeotrophs. So this is the mixture of ethanol with the water, and this makes the minimum boiling azeotrophs. How it can be characterized from this diagram or graph, that this is minimum boiling azeotrophs, because the boiling point of pure ethanol is 350 351.5 degree Kelvin, whereas it is boiling point of water is 373 Kelvin. So before reaching the boiling point of these individual pure components, the liquid start boiling off at this temperature, and this is 351 Kelvin. So this is the this is 351 Kelvin. So this is the boiling point of this solution. So let me tell you about its theory. So this type of these minimum boiling point azeotrophs corresponds to such a composition of the solution which has maximum vapor pressure and hence the minimum boiling point. So maximum vapor pressure, why?